Hello teachers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I am teacher Allison, and here we talk all things related to online ESL teaching, as well as the hiring process and teacher tips for VIPKid. So welcome, stick around. Today we are going to talk about those trial classes. How do I convert trial classes? Many teachers I've talked to have a love-hate relationship with these trials, myself included. They are very hard. You never know what to expect when you go in there. So you prepare. You're probably over-prepared if you're like me. But if the kid doesn't speak much English, it's a struggle. And if they speak a lot of English, then you're trying to fill time and you're trying to swap slides and figure out where they are. So I am here with the 4 best practices from VIPKid themselves for teaching trial classes. And these should help with your conversion rates as well. I attended a workshop a couple days ago. I am here now delivering all this wonderful information to you. So without any further delay, let's get started. So best practice number 1. Build rapport. Build rapport is no different than any other class for teachers. We build rapport at the beginning of every class, whether they are a new to us student or a regular student of ours. We ask their name. We ask how their day was. We ask what they did at school. We ask about sports and finals and homework. We get to know these kids and we talk about their lives. So these trial kiddos, we want to build rapport, especially. Some of them have never seen an online classroom. Some of them don't know any English. Some of them know some English. So the first thing you want to do is work their name. Get their name or work on their name. So the suggestion that was given to us was have a name tag for them. So if their name, let's just say Bao Bao, you're going to have a name tag that says Teacher Allison and a name tag that says Bao Bao. And if it's a booked info pending and you know it's a student and you never quite got their information, then have the whiteboard ready. Have one that says Teacher Allison and one that's blank and ready for their name. Try to get them to spell it in Chinese. Try to get them to spell it in English. However you can get their name, get it. And once you have it, shake their hand. That was another one in there. That's part 2. So their name tag and shake their hands in that rapport building section. Those kiddos just lit up when we shook hands online in the workshop. So shake their hands. Don't overestimate it. I'm going to check my notes and make sure I don't miss anything. The third thing you can do when you're building rapport is the happy and sad TPR. You don't even really need to say anything. So check this out. You kind of got the gist, right? I am happy. Are you happy or sad? You might have to do it a couple of times, but they'll pick up on the gist and pull out your puppet if you need some help. This also kind of helps you prepare for the rest of class. Are you going to have an energetic and happy student, or did Bao Bao have a rough day and maybe he's a little bit cranky? Do you need to make him laugh? So this will also help you throughout your class too. So we have name tag, handshaking, happy sad TPR, and now we have those AR stickers. You can use those AR stickers for anything. If you want to open the camera and be silly, open the camera and be silly. You can be Meg, you can be Mike. If you're unfamiliar with these AR stickers, you have your teacher window and you have the student window that shows your little faces. And in the bottom right-hand corner of that window is a circle. It looks kind of like an animal to me with a crown on it. Click on that button and there's a bunch of AR stickers for you, okay? So best practice number 1, build rapport. Best practice number 2 is those AR stickers. There are so many uses for these AR stickers, guys, and one is the welcome, and the second one is the warm-up song. So when I do warm-up songs, I have a mic. So I use my microphone and I hold it to the screen, la la la, and then I try to get them to la 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 with me. And I'll sing, and then maybe I'll pause it and let them sing. If you don't have a microphone, there is an AR sticker microphone. Use it. You can also, when you're introducing Meg and Mike, you can put on the Meg AR sticker. I am Meg. Let them answer, and then you can take it off. I am Teacher Allison. I'm back. Same thing with Mike. Have fun with it. Okay, so AR stickers, rapport building. You have warm-up songs, and now we have our regular songs. Use those too. Use, again, the microphone. So like the ABC song, if you want to use a voice, and use that rocker dude, A, B, C, go crazy with it. Have fun, whatever your student wants and whatever your student is going to respond to use it. This is personalized to them. Make them feel comfortable in whatever they feel comfortable in and play it up. So, AR stickers, warm up song, rapport building, normal songs, vocabulary. So if there is an animal, like you're doing the snake trial, see if you can't find that snake AR and put that up there. Pull up as many AR stickers as you possibly can. They're fun for the kids, they're fun for you, and they kind of break up the monotony if you've been teaching a lot of trials. And the fifth one is the goodbye slide. We're going to talk about that a little bit at the end and our final point. But there is a cute little AR sticker that's fun to use in goodbye, so stay tuned for that. All right, so out of our 4 best practices we have talked about too. Our first one is build rapport. Our second one is use AR stickers. And our third one is personalized rewards. So let's say you have your whiteboard, and each time your student earns a reward, you give a star, which give stars 100% every time, but you want to do something extra. You have your whiteboard and they do a good job. Just pick a color and color in a corner. They do a good job again, color in a different color a little further until your whole whiteboard is covered. And then at the end of class, their final reward, you can spell out bow with your hands. So their name is white. Ooh, that's amazing. Or you can just spell out their name. Each time they get a reward, they get a letter. You could have an Elsa and an Olaf, or a monster. Have something boy, have something girl. Okay, and you can give them clothes. You can give Elsa a hat and a scarf. You can give Olaf buttons and whiskers, whatever you want to do. Have fun with it. If you think your little 5-year-old girl will like Hello Kitty, then give her a Hello Kitty. This takes a little bit of prep, so be ready for that if that's what you choose to do. Have something personal. Also, when you do the stars, if you have star cutouts, you get a star. This is for you. And then hang it up there. They make them know it's theirs. It's not your star. It's not your gift that you're pulling out of the basket. It is theirs. Personalized, okay? We have build rapport. We have AR stickers. We have personalized rewards. And now our final best practice from VIPKid is have a great goodbye. Think about those movies where you sit there and you're like, man, that was a great movie, but that ending really killed it. Don't do a great job for 20 minutes and then in your last 5 minutes when you're wrapping up and saying goodbye, totally shoot yourself in the foot. Have a good ending. Leave on a great note. Try to get that kid excited. Give them their reward. Give them all 5 stars. Make them laugh. Whatever you do, make it so they want to come back to class. Don't leave them with a sour taste in their mouth. You want them to come back. You want those $5. You want them to tell mom and dad, hey mom, I want to go back and see teacher Allison. Make it so they remember you, okay? And I promised an AR sticker, so here we go. In your AR stickers, there's a little dino and it's in the bottom of your screen. And as you're saying goodbye, he'll just run off and it's adorable. All of the adults in my workshop loved it. So surely your little 5, 10, 12-year-old trial is going to get a kick of it out of it as well. So that is all I have for you. I have VIPKid's best practices for teaching trials. One more time, we have build rapport, use those AR stickers a lot, personalized reward, and have a good goodbye. I hope this was helpful for you. I hope your trial conversions improve. We've seen a great spike in trial students in trial classes as teachers right now because of the lockdown and because VIPKid is giving away a lot of classes for free. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you'll join me again for my next video. If you enjoyed this content today and you would like me to help you through the hiring process, I am a hiring coach for VIPKid. Just drop my referral code in the box in your application right before you do the demo lesson. My referral code is ALLYS0124, and I will be alerted as soon as you do. I can follow you every step of the way. And then on top of using my referral code, if you could also email me. I can't help you if you don't email me because I don't have any more access other than your first name. So like it says Brittany S. And that's all I got. So use my referral code, drop me an email. I'm going to put my email in the description box below. My referral code will be there as well. Follow me on Instagram, teacher.allison. Give me a subscribe. Hit that bell so you're notified when I drop new videos. And I will see you next time.